Hello everyone, this is Tina from Medic. Today I want to introduce our surgical scrap sink, designed specially for surgical environments. It's made of 304 stainless steel, making it durable and able to withstand frequent sterilization. The number of workstations can be customized to accommodate people. Each workstation is equipped with a sensor faucet. And there will be a sensor soap box between the two faucets. The sensor function can minimize cross-infection and ensure strict hygienic standards. The cabinet below provides convenient storage for surgical supplies. Mirrors and LED lights are also available as options. Our scrap sink is an ideal device for pre-operative sterilization. Please feel free to contact us with any questions. Thanks for watching.